all the work, Nick.
I'm training for something.
It's light.
Wide.
Oh. I'm going 315s at the back.
Going wider?
Yeah, because them 305s all around.
Bad. Now ready for the last few pieces. She's ready to ride out. She couldn't even wait till tomorrow. She had to have it today.
Y'all, Nick said Wednesday on the other video.
Yeah, but hey, she put me on the spot though. Hey, we're only one day late, but we're one day early from the original date.
But they just pop in place?
Yeah, they pop in and then you got to put the mud flap on too.
Oh, yeah. I forgot to get him putting that piece on, but I ever wondered what Widebody piece look like? Here it goes. The other one, I think it stays on place. This is what it looks like. Y'all already see what it looks like with it off.
Everything color match.
You gotta have contrast.
You gotta have contrast. I tell people that, you know, a lot of people want everything color match, but I mean, color match is nice too, but like contrast, like say we got the hood, we got the roof, and the trunk, and you got the spoiler. When you get to like the mirrors, the handles are black. Because you look, you got the black on the wheels, and then when you come to the front, of course we black these out. Well, we did those gloss because that's lights. And then when you get to here, the grill's already got a matte black to it, so we put some matte black in here to make that actually stand out. And then we did the same thing down here. We added some matte black. It just makes the contrast, makes it really pop.
Y'all, I am gonna get the front windshield tinted.
Oh yeah.
But what was you saying, Nick?
Yeah, it'll go good together once you I'm trying to think where else we get some contrast.
Oh, the trunk, the piece on the trunk by the tags.
We did the trunk, yeah. Okay. So back here where we got the license plate, we're gonna beep out our license plate. Right in here, we did it. We added some right in there too. That black. Black on the trunk, spoiler. Bad though. It's one of the baddest ones we've done. Let's do it.
He said it. What'd you say?
The baddest one we've done.
And my wheel nuts. I ordered my wheel nuts. Purple.
Purple?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Gotta bring out the heritage of the car.
Yeah.
What's the name of this color?
Hell raisin.
Hell raisin. And they quit making the plum crazy, right?
I think so.
Yeah. I thought they did. I haven't seen it. That SRT Brembo. I don't want to do brakes that far because it might be too much.
Now do this piece come off or that stay on? That front piece of the Widebody?
It stays on. Yeah, that's part of the bumper. That one never came off.
show the finishing product. Rev it up.